what's up, y'all? What am I saying? One more time. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So for those who don't know me or this is your first time here, my name's Emil. I'm not a snack, I'm Emil. So I know, cheesy, it's my tagline though. My grandfather's name was Emil, like A-M-E-A-L, so it kind of has sentimental value to me. Moving on, I shouldn't have to justify my tagline because it's mine. Sorry. I do a lot of side notes, I talk a lot, my bad. Anyway, so I am based in LA and I'm an entertainment host, and for the longest, I was completely bald. Funny enough, the other day, somebody who I've known for quite some time was like, when they saw me with hair, they were like, oh, we thought you were just balding and you shaved your head, but.
And bald by choice.
I have, I can grow hair clearly, but I would shave my head every 1 to 2 days. I would shave my beard, I just drooled. I just drooled. Anyway.
It's disgusting.
I look like a naked mole rat, or as my best friend Drew likes to say, the Peanut from Proud Family movie. I don't think I look like the Peanut, but apparently Drew thinks that I look like the Peanut from the Proud Family movie. The Peanut's name was Cashew. Anyway. But guys, I've been on this natural hair journey trying to figure it out because for the past 6.5 years, was completely bald, and so I don't really know what I'm doing with this hair. I just got a haircut today, but I didn't wash my hair yet, so I'm actually gonna wash and style my hair so you guys can see what it is, because right now you can see it's kind of matted and just a hot mess. But you guys have been DMing me and messaging me and just trying to ask, what I do, so I figured why not do a video since you requested it to show what my natural hair care routine is. Once again, I'm brand new to all of this. I don't really know what I'm doing, so do not take any part of this video and be like, oh, that's what I need to do for my hair, because I am no expert. I've watched over 100 videos and still don't know what I'm doing, so this is kind of just like a trial and error, and I'm trying to grow my hair out even more. So I'm going to go do this, and you're gonna come along for the journey, so let's go. No, you have to come on. All right, guys, so about to wash my hair. So first, obviously, I get the hair wet. It feels so good to wash my hair. I only wash it once a week. Since it's curly, I really have to make sure that it gets wet and soak it. Ooh, can't see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to look at you guys, I'm just have to talk. So, it still feels like it's not wet at the roots. I'm gonna really get in there. Woo! Okay, so I have a couple different shampoos and conditioners I use, but I've been trying this one out. This is a coconut and hibiscus Shea Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my hand, probably a dime size amount, and then really get it in there. Oh my God, it feels so good. I'm getting water all over the floor. Sorry, AJ. I hope the camera lens doesn't fog up. I don't think I put enough shampoo in my hair. So I'm gonna put a little more shampoo in my hair. Oh yeah. I just really scratch to make sure I'm getting all the, I don't know, dead hair, follicles, whatever's on there. See, I'm scratching everywhere. Just really making sure that I clean that head. Clean that head. Clean that head. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna wash that out, obviously. Okay, so that's all washed out of my hair. Feels good. Ooh, camera's fogging up. Okay, now I'm going to put in conditioner. The coconut and curl hibiscus curl and coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. There you go. Ooh, we're really fogging up. Can you still see me? Okay. So I'm still conditioning, even though it's hella foggy. Just making sure I'm getting like my roots and my ends. Since I have bleached hair, I want to make sure that my ends are getting conditioned too. Because obviously when you bleach your hair, you damage it a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to rinse this out. Oh, you really can't see me. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm kind of in a rush today. What's going on? I'm kind of in a rush today, but normally I just let normally I just let my hair air dry. But since I'm in a rush, I'm gonna have to dry it a little with the towel and maybe use the blow dryer a little bit. But I don't recommend that. Just letting it air dry usually works best for me. But like I said, I'm in a bit of a rush, so I really don't have a choice because I can't. My hair is like soaking wet and dripping right now, so I have to do something. So this is why usually when I do my hair and wash and style it, I have a wash and style or a wash day, so that way I make sure I have enough time to let it air dry. But let me go get my products and then I'll come back and show you how I go from here. Don't be looking at me all like that. You nasty. So nasty! Okay, so like I said, I'm in a little bit of a rush, so I have to do some things I don't normally do, but I'm going to, I hate doing this, but I'm just gonna like pat dry my hair a little bit first. Like I said, normally I like to let my hair air dry. And for my particular style, I use like a sponge, so I twist it, but first I pick my hair out. So I grab my pick and then I start picking it out. And you can really start to see how tall it's getting and see. Guys, let's address like how much my hair has grown. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. We're just gonna keep picking. And luckily when it's wet and it's detangled, I'm not getting breakage. It's just like picking it out so it can be ready to twist. Look at how tall this is getting, y'all. I can't tell if you can tell on the camera like how big it is, but okay, that sounded nasty, but that's not, I'm talking about my hair. But I'm very proud of this growth. And if anybody has any tips for like hair growth or thickening or anything, let me know in the comment section below, because I always love the tips, or just any tips in general for styling natural hair. I would love to hear your commentary. So I pick it, keep picking, and as you can see, it's still growing. Okay, now since my hair is so wet, I can't do my styling while it's wet, so I have to blow dry it a little bit. I hate this. So it's starting to get drier, but obviously it takes a while. And usually I can kind of tell when it's pretty much dry. So now I'm just gonna make sure that this is all picked out. Okay, so I have it all picked out. Now what I do is I take this Jamaican mango and lime locking gel. You see that? Is it focused? Focus on this. I take this Jamaican mango and lime locking gel, and it looks like this. And I don't put a lot, just like literally like that on my finger. I put it in my hands, rub it together, and just put it on the top of my head, just so it touches all the ends. Okay. So I put that over everything. Then I take my barber sponge, and I do the one with the smaller holes. Like this one has a larger holes and smaller. I do the smaller holes, and then I just start going in a clockwise motion all around my head with the sponge. So you'll see as I'm doing it, you'll see it's starting to make a difference in how my hair looks. Just watch. Here we go. So I'm normally looking in the mirror when I do it, but you can see it's already starting to twist my hair. So I'll keep going. My arm getting tired. This legit feels like a workout. Okay. Still gotta do all the back and this side of the head. Almost done, but you see, we're definitely making progress. Yeah, I'm almost done. I just have to brush my hair. Sorry, AJ was asking me how long I was taking because I told you guys I'm in a rush, but clearly I have no concept of actually rushing, even though I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Okay, so as you can see, do that, and then I brush my hair and just do like brush down the sides just to make sure those are good, and then keep the top the way it is. And then that's pretty much it. That's how I do my hair. I think it looks cool, right? Definitely different than how I used to wear my hair. So I love this new style. But yeah, guys, so if you have any suggestions, tips, or just want to compliment my hair, that'll be cool. But I want to also start bringing some of my friends on here who are also part of the natural or the curly hair community, just to get their tips or things they've learned. But it's also hard because everybody has different textured hair and different things that work for their particular hair. So I've kind of found what works for mine, but I'm still obviously learning and growing with this natural hair, curly hair movement. But leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys soon. Get excited. More videos coming your way. Oh, I'm coming.